If you live in the UAE and your car AC is not working properly, this video could save you from a nightmare this summer. Watch till the end. Text overlay. UAE. Summer equals 50 degrees Celsius. Is your AC ready? The UAE heat is no joke. Sitting in a car with a broken AC here is not just uncomfortable, it's dangerous. Today we're breaking down the most common car AC problems in the UAE and exactly how to fix them. Problem 1. AC blowing warm air. This is the #1 complaint in the UAE. Your AC is running but blowing hot air. The most common cause? Low refrigerant levels. The gas that cools your car leaks over time, especially in extreme heat. The fix? Visit a certified garage and get your refrigerant recharged. Cost in the UAE, between AED 150 to AED 400. Warm air equals low refrigerant. Fix, AED 150 to 400. Problem 2. AC smells bad when turned on. That musty, dirty sock smell when you switch on the AC. That's bacteria and mold growing inside your cabin air filter and evaporator. In the UAE's humid coastal air, this happens fast. The fix is simple. Replace your cabin air filter every 6 months and use an AC disinfectant spray. Cost? As low as AED 50. Bad smell equals dirty filter. Fix, AED 50 to 150. Problem 3. AC works, but car still feels hot. You've got the AC on full blast, but the cabin won't cool down. The problem might not be your AC at all. It could be your window tinting. UAE regulations allow tinting, but many cars have worn out or poor quality tints that let heat pour in. Upgrade to a ceramic tint. It blocks up to 99% of UV rays and makes a huge difference in cooling. Still hot? Check your window tint. Ceramic tint equals game changer. Problem 4. AC making strange noises. A rattling or squealing sound when the AC turns on usually means your AC compressor is struggling or your drive belt is worn out. In the UAE heat, compressors work twice as hard as in cooler countries, so they wear out faster. Don't ignore this. A failing compressor left too long can cost you AED 2,000 to AED 5,000 to replace. Catch it early and save thousands. Strange noise equals compressor issue. Don't ignore it. Bonus tip. Pro tip for UAE drivers. Here's a tip most UAE drivers don't know. When you first get in a hot car, don't blast the AC immediately on full power. Open the windows for 30 seconds first to let the hot trapped air escape. Then close the windows and turn on the AC. Your car will cool down 40% faster and your AC system will last much longer. Windows first, then AC. Cool 40% faster. If your AC has any of these problems, get it checked before UAE summer hits hard. Share this with every UAE driver you know. Follow us for more car tips made specifically for the UAE. Drop your AC problem in the comments and we'll help you out.